laundry. Do you know these words? Drying rack, drying rack, drying rack. Washing machine, washing machine, washing machine. Laundry basket, laundry basket, laundry basket. Laundry detergent, laundry detergent, laundry detergent. Drawer, drawer, drawer.
Let's play! Say the words loudly.
Drying rack, washing machine, laundry basket, laundry detergent, drawer.
Let's learn other words in a fun way. See you next time!
Yay!